Well, when I moved here in 2021, I came down from Canada and I had a full healthcare package in Canada, and I was here for a few weeks, maybe a couple of months, contemplating how I was going to replicate that. And I wanted something convenient, and it was important for me to find a female doctor, somebody that I could really feel comfortable with. And so I started searching for practices close to here, and I called a couple of places, but Foothills was the one that really struck home for me. They were really friendly on the phone, and they took the time to ask me some very clear questions, and made an appointment for me to come in. That was convenient for me, and it was very timely, and so I gave them a shot, and I'm so happy that I did. So my appointments here are roughly every 3 to 4 weeks, and I come because I have a minor issue with my blood pressure that tends to go up and down. And Chelsea, my care provider, has been helping me find a medication that works well for me, not only to bring my blood pressure back into check, but also that doesn't cause symptoms that are less desirable for me. I did try a number of medications, and when I mentioned that there was a couple of things that I weren't quite comfortable with, she switched out the medication right away and put me on something new, and she'd start me on a low dosage and work me up to where I needed to be so that I wasn't immediately overwhelmed with a brand new medication every couple of months or however long that had been. And it's been successful, so I'm very happy with how that's working out for me. So Chelsea really went above and beyond any expectation that I had. I'd had concerns for some time that we weren't really getting to the bottom of why my blood pressure was up and down all of the time, and I had one episode where it just kept rising while I was actually in the clinic. And Chelsea suggested that she thought it would be a good idea if she referred me to a cardiologist, just to get that side of things checked out. And obviously that made me feel 100% better, because I was becoming a little bit worried. And in turn, me being worried about what might be the root cause of my blood pressure issues was causing my blood pressure to go up as well. So I really think she helped me out, not only by giving me that referral, but also by calming my nerves a little bit too. I completely felt well taken care of the entire time, and I know that she's working hard not only to keep my blood pressure in check, but to try and find the root cause of the issue as well. So that's very reassuring for me. If somebody was looking for a healthcare provider within this vicinity, I would 100% recommend Foothills in Clay City. The reason being is not only are they close and convenient, but the people here are just absolutely wonderful. I've chatted with the receptionist, the nurses, all of them seem to thoroughly enjoy their jobs. When I come, I don't wait for very long. I'm literally in the waiting room for a couple of minutes before I'm being called through. I feel so at home here, and I know that sounds bizarre to be at home in a medical centre, but they really feel like they've become friends. And I am new to this area, so obviously I don't have that many close connections around here, but so having a strong connection with my care provider has been important, and it's really helped me to feel more at home and to settle into a brand new environment.